This is the size of the workshop, one of the areas the miners spend most of their time. It's around 50 metres square with fuel barrels, containers and a table within it. And the temperature there averages 90 degrees. Other miners have been using the refuge. At 10 metres long and 5 metres wide, before it collapsed, it was used as a dining room. And this was where the miners had gathered when the rock collapsed. It's because they were here that they all survived. The men sleep in the tunnels between the two rooms, which are kept in darkness to help the men regulate their days. Well, Sky's Robert Nisbet has more detail about what the men's rescue will involve.
So there really is a sense here in the camp that things are finally coming together, that in a few hours' time, the whole rescue operation will begin. And let's just remind you how it's going to play out in the small hours of Wednesday morning. That is certainly the government's estimate at the moment. The capsule will descend the 622 metres for the first time. Inside will be a mining engineer. He will come out in the underground chamber and meet those miners. And of course, he'll be the first person that they will have seen for a very long time. Then the first miner who has been nominated will get into the chamber and make that first ascent. As he does so, there will be a video camera on his face. He will have a microphone in front of his mouth so he can tell them if he's experiencing any discomfort. He'll be wearing a special bodysuit. He'll be wearing sunglasses to protect his eyes when he reaches the surface. Then, when he is at the surface, he will be taken to a series of porta cabins. The first one is a triage area where he'll be checked over by medics. Then he'll be moved over, if he's okay, into an area for stabilisation where he'll remain for half an hour and they'll check his vital signs. If that passes okay, he'll move into another porta cabin where he'll meet 2 or 3 members of his family. Those who require more urgent medical attention will get into a helicopter and go to the nearby town of Copiapó. This process will be repeated 33 times until all of the miners are out. That whole process could take 2 days.